Halliburton is now offering operators a QuikRig Up coiled tubing unit, along with our equipment services, to control pressure at surface and maintain flow rates during completion operations. Our coiled tubing unit is rated for up to 125,000 pounds pulling capacity. The spread itself features a new reel trailer, crane, auxiliary equipment trailer, and injector. The reel trailer can hold 20,000 feet of 2-inch pipe. Designed for QuikRig Up, the auxiliary trailer houses the power pack, mast, and a riser with pre-assembled pressure control equipment. Once the mast is hydraulically lifted, the crane lifts the injector and places it on top of the pressure control equipment. The trolley ram cylinders are then engaged to support the equipment. At this point, under a fully supported load, the downhole tools can be connected to the tubing. Designed with safety in mind, this feature helps ensure that personnel are not working under a crane with a suspended load. Once the bottom hole assembly is made up and the supporting mechanism disengaged, the crane makes a single lift to place the injector, riser, and pressure control equipment directly onto the frac stack. This isolation plug drill-out flowback package represents the design for a specific well, and each job is tailored to the customer's specifications. The frac stack is configured with a 4-inch wing section to eliminate restrictions to the 4-inch trash catcher. A hydraulic choke manifold is utilized to maintain back pressure and control the rate of the fluids and gas before they enter the surface tank. This coiled tubing unit has many applications, but will focus on pinpoint stimulation and the plug mill-out process. As the coil moves downhole, the Hydrojet tool performs the Surgifrac service. A quick and cost-effective method for new and refract wells, Surgifrac helps achieve a high-intensity multi-stage fracturing. The Surgifrac process uses the dynamic movement of the fluid to divert fluid flow into a specific point in the formation. Another effective stimulation treatment is the CobraFrac H service, which enables high-intensity multi-stage fracturing along with post-frac analysis to determine the effectiveness of the treatment. Implemented through a unique process, the service includes a bottom hole assembly that features hydraulic hold-down capability and improved elastomer technology for more reliable service to isolate each treatment zone. For deeper completions, the utility of coiled tubing can be optimized for higher treatment rates. Unique to the industry, the CobraMax DM service not only enables placement of a virtually unlimited number of fracturing stages in a horizontal section, but provides the flexibility of on-demand downhole changes in proppant concentration. This service uses a high-rate pumping of non-abrasive fluid down the annulus and is mixed downhole with a proppant concentrated slurry pumped down the tubing. A key benefit to using CobraMax is having the ability to immediately overflush when early screen-out is indicated, thereby allowing the treatment to continue. Studies have shown less horsepower is required when compared to conventional perf and plug processes, and the time between treatments is drastically reduced, with the entire horizontal interval stimulated, involving just one trip in and out of the well. Another common application for the coiled tubing unit is our composite plug removal services. Our coiled tubing unit's powerful downhole motor and engineered fluid systems are key components for ensuring a quick and efficient plug removal operation. Maintaining continuous circulation, our experienced operators mill out the plugs under the most demanding underbalance drilling operations while removing the proppant and plug debris out of the wellbore and back to the surface. As debris is circulated from the wellbore, it first passes through the frac stack. Utilizing the frac stack's 4-inch wing section reduces any restriction in allowing debris to flow directly into the trash catcher. The 4-inch trash catcher is used during the isolation plug drill-out process to maintain continuous flow rates. The hydraulic choke manifold maintains flow rates from the wellbore through our remote hydraulic control center. And as a matter of standard procedure, all our equipment systems are designed with bypasses and redundant safety measures to ensure the wellbore flows without restrictions or interruptions, and does so in a controlled and safe manner.